Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Social. This podcast is to help you grow your podcasting channel, your YouTube channel, or any other channel that you may have. And we give you tips and tricks on what to do and how to grow them and how to gain subscribers for your specific niche or talent. Hello?
Hello.
Hey man, what's up? What's going on?
What's going on?
Nothing much, man. What you been up to?
Man, lots and lots. Lots and lots.
A lot of stuff, I bet.
How you doing, man?
Good. I was just doing some research recently. Do you know about like the Apple and Microsoft earbud scene now? Have you heard about that?
Man, I know it's coming in strong right now. Jump into the voice market and the more portable, less wireless type of environment.
Everybody's jumping to the voice market now because Microsoft is like
100%.
trying to up their game now because since the Surface came out, they wanna do a Surface brand earbuds.
Yeah, I know.
And then once they do that, that is meant to take on Apple Airpods. So
I get it, man. I know. Just preaching.
yeah, and they say it's gonna be coming out. Yeah, they're gonna be releasing it sometime soon.
Yeah, I don't doubt it, dude. Which one are you gonna roll with? I always trust in Apple in the fact that I use most Apple products, so I know that they work seamlessly together. But when you get off of that Apple product, like they don't
I have a
work the
couple
same.
of Microsoft items myself. So I would have to go.
Man, Microsoft is coming back. I gotta say, I will. There's something about it. I feel it. I'm not using it yet, but I
Right,
feel like I will. I feel like when they come out with the glasses, if they come out with the HoloLens first, that I'm attainably ready to get
right,
and fuck with, like then I'm excited about it. But
right,
until then, like they need to make a move on this mixed reality market, basically.
right.
They need to make a big push with voice integrated with these headsets and AR devices, not VR devices that are more flexible and
Right.
fluid and like, yeah.
Amazon's doing
You
the
know what I mean?
Amazon's doing the same thing now with the voice and the headphone scene now, because they're trying to put
Don't count Bezos out, man. I'm just saying, don't count Bezos out.
Bose is doing it
Ever
and Jabber's
Terminator,
well.
dog. Yeah.
So there's a lot of because everybody's trying to put out a headphones that seems best for the market.
I get it. I don't know. I think there are going to be a lot of knockoffs, but I think one's going to really run it, and it may be a company we haven't even heard of yet. 365. We'll see what happens,
Yeah, because I know about Bose and Microsoft and all these other ones, but some of them, because Apple I think are gonna be releasing a new or they have released a new set of earbuds for Apple. So 'cause
hmm
that's what I've seen on the internet nowadays. Because they have they're gonna be releasing that sometime soon. So.
Yeah, I get it.
But like this competition with the earbuds market is like crazy. Everybody's competing for like who's the best who has the best headphones in the game right now.
I know, man.
But
I know.
it's not like a one particular brand. If you choose like Microsoft or if you choose Apple, it's totally up to the people
It
that
seems like one of those kind of things you want to go to a voice con or you want to go to some kind of user generated like event just to test them all out in like real time and kind of just see what one you fuck with the most.
Right.
I feel like that would be cool. That would actually be a cool pop-up.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like if these companies went with each other and co-sponsored each other and just saw what best product won, because then like the people would get to decide and the audience would become like basically the art. You know what I mean? Like that's what it is, what it should be. They should just work together to see which product wins. Like And if they start pushing on that, I think there's even more money to be made and more
because
everything to be
everybody's
done.
pushing it out, and
Well, somebody's always going to lose. That's the fact.
yeah,
But either
that's
way,
a fact.
it still pushes in innovation and creativity and ingenuity, you know, and
Right,
fucking everything in that caliber.
right.
So,
Everybody's
facts.
pushing out their own brand of headphones. So,
Yes.
and then with Amazon now, like I don't know if you heard about it, but like the Echo and all these like other devices are like listening. So I'm like, that's kind of weird.
I get it, you know. I mean, I don't doubt that everybody's listening in right now, right? You know, the only thing is it's all being recorded by some net in the sky. Then I just like access to my own net as well, you know,
Right. As
co-sharing
long,
access so I can edit in a smart way and really get this shit out in the proper content formula.
right.
I think that's the answer to all these questions. You know, I'm walking around New York City right now, meeting to meeting, hopping, talking to you, getting content done on the fly. And I think like if we can automate that in some sort of integrated way, then I think we're gonna in for fucking better days.
Right. Totally.
Publish this episode. I want that part.
Yeah, I'm gonna publish it and then send it over to you, and I don't
No, but I mean, I just want people to like get some access to more information, bro. Like I'm thinking on some new ideas right now, and you hit me at a good time, and I'm not always available, but I'm glad you got a hot show popping off, man, that I can jump
right.
on and support. You
Yeah.
have any questions for me while I'm here?
Yeah, I believe I sent you a voice message trying to see if I could meet up, but you never responded, so I don't know if
I
it's
bounced off to Toronto, was working on a sound guided binaural isotonic tone guided meditation with my girl Raji, who's like fucking next level
right.
spiritual goddess, like killing it. And we're doing this new album. So I was out there for a little bit. Her
Yeah.
birthday just got 3 years sober, stoked on that. Like getting it, man, staying focused. Just ran into D Kirk today from Team Gary V. This guy's a good dude. Got his email. We're gonna shoot
D-Rock?
him some beats. D Kirk. Hold on. D Rock? No, D
Oh,
Kirk.
D-Kirk. Okay, got you.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. So check him out. But yeah, no, it's just been a good day, dude. And I got a meditation class tonight with two beautiful sisters that are guided meditations as well, and killing it out here in New York, and just a good community. So, you know, just get my steps in
Yep.
and just bouncing, bro. Just feeling good,
Yep.
right? Share it off,
All right.
spread it, right?
Yeah.
Set shot, photo, film, display, supplies, whatever you need, we got it.
Okay.
You ever go around the city? I
Um.
want people to try this out. I want people to try this at home. I want them to walk around their city and look for life to be their inspiration.
Right.
That's my challenge to everybody.
Right. Okay. Okay. I may try it out as well.
Take a photo, look for a phrase on a billboard, like just try to blend, fusion these things, find your fusion, put them together, see if you can create something from life that's already out
Yeah.
there, and just see it from a new perspective,
Totally.
right? I think that would actually be a cool challenge.
Okay.
That's what I do here.
Yeah. I may
Yeah.
just probably do that.
I'd love to see what you do. Drop what you do. I'll share it in my story. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. I will.
All right. Well, you got me. I got another minute. I got to run. So what's good? What's your question?
But other
Good.
those two topics that I've talked about, like what other ideas is like best for the market with the wireless earbud scene? Like what do you think should be coming out next?
Ooh.
'Cause-
I mean, you know, if you want my Kevin Kelly Wired magazine answer, I'm gonna say that you're gonna get spatial sonic laser sound
Okay.
that's gonna circulate around and emit frequency as loud as you want it
Right.
with whatever tone you want. That's not gonna interrupt anybody that's even 1 foot away from you.
Right.
I think that's gonna be coming in the next 5 years,
Yeah.
but I don't think that's happening yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I say with AirPods, I think it's gonna get more customizable.
Yeah,
It's gonna
because
look cooler.
they are
It's going to be, what's going to happen with here, Chad, here's my answer. Use this part. What's going to happen is glasses are going to come out,
Right.
right?
Right.
And when glasses come out, they're going to have the Earpods or some type of sound, I think, integrated within the glasses
Right.
or paired like seamlessly. And that's going to be the next iteration, because then when you're walking on the street, you don't got to pull out your phone and look all sketch, right?
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, unless you got suave on that, which some people do. And, I'm priding myself on working on that each day. It's just like when I do something, I don't take it personally if people take it the wrong way. I don't do anything in a disrespectful manner. I'm just trying to create art from all around me in life.
Right.
And I think when it becomes less friction and easier to just pull out and collect, that's integrated with voice actions,
Right.
you know what I mean? That you can talk and say, snapshot, oh, add to Monday's fucking fire photo collection. You know what I mean?
Right.
You can integrate with your voice and do things in high quality
Right.
without pulling anything out of your pocket or looking whatever. Like, that's the next iteration.
Right. The voice AI and stuff like that.
Yeah, when everything gets fusion, man, and we're starting to see it, dude, and I'm just happy about that. So,
Yeah, there's some kinks along the way, because
100%. I mean, you're never gonna have a perfect thing. It's just that we're moving in the
right
direction
direction.
of faster innovation.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because 5G is now coming out, and everybody
it's already out. By the
on it.
way,
And,
it's already out. It's here.
okay, right.
It's some. What do you consider that? And what do you mean it's coming and it's not here? Just because it's not on your phone, just because you're not getting access to 5G, doesn't mean it's not all around you at stoplights or, you know what I mean, underground or emitting.
Well, with 5G in general, I haven't really seen anything in particular, but the most of the major cell phone companies are now saying, well, hey, 5G is here and
I'll put it
stuff like that, but I really haven't actually seen it come out yet. That's the thing. But they're like promoting it
for consumer. You mean consumerized wise?
Right, consumerized.
And to your consumers and fans out there, apologize for my out of breathness in the past few minutes, but I've been walking like 7-8 blocks in this matter of time in New York. I'm posted up in a chill spot now. But yes, I agree. I don't know if it's consumerized yet. Not quite. Is it in some places? Yes, right? Like when I go to Nashville, there's a family out there, like they got 5G, they got these new, back then they had Google Fiber, right? And so they were testing it out in these like rural areas throughout the country for whatever reason, right? People could probably look into whatever that's for, but the point is like it is out there. It's just not on a mass consumer market yet, because either they don't know how to quantify it, they don't know how to monetize it, or they don't know how to control it.
Right.
Or all, right?
Yeah, right.
Maybe. Anyway, that's my thoughts on that without going too much in a deeper space of that. But yeah, because it's like we don't know yet, right? Like the 5G I focus on is fucking Gary Vee throwing up the 5, bro. That's the 5G I care about, bro. That's all I'm trying to get closer to that stone, man. Because that's a fast network, man. And it's just like,
it is.
Do what he says, man. Put to work every day. Right now, I'm really just isolating my next game plan. Like, what's my next content strategy? What's the next 365 daily shit putting out? Sometimes you got to step back and curate before you can integrate and fucking isolate and fucking go off.
Right. Totally.
All right. Well, I got to get running, but it's been a pleasure, Chad. Let's talk soon. Shoot me an email. We'll set up a time to get together around the city and grab a coffee and jam.
Sure.
Maybe do something else. But
make sure to share this, guys, and yeah, we'll end the podcast right here. Thanks. Appreciate it.
This is Broken Down Fusion. Thank you, Chad. See you.
Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social. Make sure to subscribe to the Daily Social on Apple Podcasts or wherever our podcast is available. Thanks, guys.